that. Okay? But once we get the rebar tied in here, then we now have this. Now this is a simple wall with no real pressure, and the wonderful thing about it, when it's done, it's going to be a very attractive New Mexican adobe looking wall, but instead of building it out of trash dirt, we're building it out of trash plastic. Because what we've always done thing with walls is we've used trash.
Right.
Might be trash rocks or trash trees, or
we got some trash walls back here down building the foundation. But.
So I mean, but that's what we've always done. So we're just using a different material. Next, we're going to get the rest of the blocks. They're bringing those. We will get that all done. It'll all be tied up. We'll make it all rigid. And then we will take the used chicken wire there. And then if we need any more, we'll use some new. But we're going to try to avoid using that. And we'll make a good stucco wire framework on it. Then tomorrow, we will come in. I will take my truck and we will strip the stuff out of it, and we will go get some good plaster sand, some cement. They already have lime, and we will start tomorrow putting plaster on it. And we will get a good plaster. Has 3 coats. It has scratch, brown, and color, and we'll try to get the scratch coat in, and then a couple days later they can have somebody come in and put on the brown coat and then the color coat to match the rest of it. So it'll turn out in a couple days, or this time next week, this will look just really slick. Nobody will ever know that the straw went away and it needs to be refurbished. And we'll have our first Ubuntu-Blox wall in Santa Fe, New Mexico.
Here it is the 5th day that we've been working with Harvey Lacey, the inventor of the Ubuntu-Blox building system, and it's just been a fantastic time we've had with him. Highly productive, highly educational, and also learned a ton about building techniques of all different kinds, and working with metal and working with concrete and stone and these other sort of new building materials which we have available to us, which is just mountains and mountains of trash and styrofoam and plastic. And
it's been a great time. We've had a ton of fun. We made some an Ubuntu machine out of assembled pallets, which is huge, because that means that we can, once we get the documentation on it, we can promote that throughout the world, and hopefully we'll be able to see small entrepreneurs all around the world that will make themselves an Ubuntu-Blox machine, start making Ubuntu-Blox and selling those to builders who want to build with Ubuntu-Blox. And it'll be bubble up instead of trickle down.
Big thanks to Harvey and Glenda for coming out here and being interested in collaborating and creating some new work that we'll be able to share with our networks and hopefully the larger global community.
huge thanks to everyone who made this happen, for sure.